So this is our writing prompt for section 1. So now that we have read section 1, please respond to the following questions in 3 paragraphs total. And then please write each paragraph with at least 5 to 7 sentences each. So our first question is, focus on Natasha or Daniel. What conflicts do they face? So here we want you to either choose to give a writing prompt on Natasha or on Daniel. You don't have to do both. You just have to choose one. So in this response, we want you to name one internal and one external conflict. And as you remember, we discussed that on slide 8. And we want you to describe these conflicts and how they affect the characters. So if you choose Natasha, you choose one internal and one external conflict, and then you will describe how these conflicts affect them. And then we want you to explain how point of view impacts the way we understand these conflicts. And if you need help with this, go back to our multiple narrators slide and look at that example. And then, so that in total would be 3 paragraphs. And then we also want you to write in 2 separate paragraphs. Please respond to the following question. What conflicts have you dealt with in your life? So in these 2 paragraphs, we want you to explain how you were affected by this conflict and how you overcame it. And then we also want you to compare and contrast your conflict with the character that you chose and one of their conflicts. So if you did Natasha or if you did Daniel, you will be comparing one conflict that you faced in your life with one conflict that you wrote about for the 3 paragraphs in the other question. And then additionally, we want you to support your response with 3 to 5 pieces of textual evidence total. So we talked about textual evidence on slide 7, and we would just like you to pick 3 to 5 pieces and put them in your writing response. And just remember that the textual evidence that you pick, so these 3 to 5 quotes from the book, you want them to fit with what you are claiming. You want them to enhance your claim or your argument and support what you are trying to say.